Oh man, I see these rewards this week. It's much lower than it was last week. Yes, the liquidity event is definitely over and I am feeling it, but I do see a positive in all this as well. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, I can't be too disappointed because the liquidity event did actually help those rewards last week. This week is fresh. There's no liquidity event. So now I'm seeing here, I've got 3,296 bones that's buried. Now, I didn't start burying these bones until later on in the week. So maybe next week, these bones could be a little bit higher in terms of rewards. 7.24. Hey, you know what? I'm happy to receive anything in terms of any type of rewards and gift just by holding your actually assets. So I can't be too disappointed, but 99 last week and 7 this week, I'm feeling it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm feeling that. Oh my goodness. That's a tremendous difference. So, but anyway, that is the bones buried. And I noticed the additional bone APR and bone APY is much lower right now. So that is very interesting. That is dramatically went down as well. Now, if I go to the leash area, I'm only burying one leash, and then I see the additional bone APR percentages and APY is lower as well. So I wonder what's going on. Maybe this is actually going through a process, but then I look down here, there's one bone that we got in terms of the bone reward after getting 8 last week, only 1 this week. No liquidity event. I am definitely feeling it as well. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to just leave it in there until next week, until this gets built up again. So that doesn't make any sense paying fees and taking out one bone out. It just doesn't make any sense basically. So going back to the buried bone, I'm thinking I'm going to leave this in here as well and let it just accumulate after a while and then take it out. Because right now this will be 7 times 3. 7 times 3-ish should be about, what's that, $22. Might as well just leave that in there. But how I look at it, the positive I look at it at this buried bone area, hey, that's 20 bucks that you just got just by staking your stuff. That's a way of looking at it, but I know it's much lower than you expect. I understand. I do understand because I'm feeling it too. So the next one is the actually buried the SHIB. This is probably the largest that everyone has probably. And I have 2 billion SHIB that's being buried. And the percentages much lower that I see here are really low. And then also I noticed that this hasn't even been updated yet. So we'll see what that's going to be. The numbers is going to be, I got 31 last week. And I had about 3 billion Shiba staked in there, and bones, we'll see what happens in terms of rewards. And then also the Ethereum as well, I'm going to leave that in there as well. It's just not worth taking that out because remember, a fee is being attached to this. So I'm just going to leave it in there and let it accumulate and then take it out. Because remember it does says this, it says unclaimed amounts will continue to occur onto the next. So basically, if you don't claim your rewards now, it'll just keep adding in, which is a smart actually strategy, not financial advice. Is because you can let it just accumulate and then take it out when you feel like it's time to do it. So and then they adjusted the wolfable dates and unwolfable, so they adjusted this as well. So I'm glad they did that because now I can see that, okay, this is unwolfable up until this time and I wolfed this already. So if I go back to this one more time, that yes, it's 215 unwolfable. That's a positive thing. And then you also have, this is the date that we can actually wolf that out. And this is how much I wolfed up until then. So that's a good thing, knowing that's 215 bones that's buried that I can be able to get out in the next 6 months. So that's something to look forward to it as well. So that is the bones rewards in terms of staking. Now, I still think that wolfing and digging, it's still one of the most positive bright spots in this whole thing. And I feel like it's still a good thing as well, even though the rewards and the percentages drop. But it seemed like the pairings and also the rewards from there, that seems to be going pretty well. So that is a strategy if that's something you want to go ahead and do, is start digging more and start woofing more. Not financial advice, but that is another option as well. If you're unhappy with your buried bone rewards in terms of staking, you can look into another option in terms of just, you know, digging and woofing and finding a pairing here and seeing if that's going to be a better fit for you. And as well, I forgot about this over here. This is also rewards that's coming in. If I zoom in a little bit, I am starting to be a little happy with the USDT. That's starting to be added up a little bit. So that's, you know, that's money basically back into your actually wallet, the USDT, and the DAI. That's also starting to add up a little bit. I'm gonna wait till this actually gets a little bit more in value, and then I'll eventually take it out. So just think about what your strategies are gonna be. If it's worth woofing your rewards out, then I understand. But I do understand if you keep it in there and let it just accumulate, let that thing accumulate and then take it out. So that is actually a strategy as well. So that's all I got now for this video here. Going back real quick is I'm happy. I'm not necessarily happy. I kind of expect this after the liquidity event, but one thing I will say, listen, man, this is actually still free rewards. We still got it. I'm hoping that this continue getting better. And my plan is to continue just adding to my position. That is my plan, is continue adding LEASH, SHIB, and BONE. Just continue adding in, especially when the price drops. Keep adding it in, then still staking it, and then also woofing and digging as well. So you just got to play that actually strategy game, playing chess, not checkers. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I hope you're okay on this beautiful Sunday today. It's going to be okay. I feel your pain. I feel it. I do, because I went from 99 to 7 in terms of rewards, and I know you're going through some things as well. And I'll talk to you later. I got another video that's going to come out later on. I hope that will help you too as well. All right, I'll see you later. Have a good day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification when you get videos just like this.